If you need to change your Epic Games password, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can update your account securely and get back to gaming with peace of mind. Whether you're changing your password because you forgot it, want to strengthen your account security, or just want to stay safe, this guide will make it simple. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once the site loads, look for the sign in button in the top right corner and click it. If you're already logged in, you may not need to sign in again, but if you are logged out, enter your account details and continue. After you're signed in, move your mouse over your display name in the top right corner. This will open up a menu, and from there, click Account. That takes you to your Epic Games account settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see several tabs and settings options. Find and click Password and Security. This is the section where Epic Games lets you manage your login security and update your password. Once you're inside that menu, scroll down until you find the Change Your Password section. Here you'll see the field where you can enter a new password for your account. Click inside the new password box and type in your new password carefully. Make sure it's strong, unique, and something you haven't used before. For better security, use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols if Epic allows it. After typing your new password, double check that it's correct before saving. This is important because once you change it, you'll need to use the new password the next time you sign in on any device. If you have the option to confirm the password, enter it exactly as needed and then save your changes. Epic Games may ask you to verify your identity or confirm the change through your email, so keep an eye on your inbox in case a security message appears. If that happens, just follow the instructions in the email to complete the password update. Once everything is saved, your Epic Games password will be changed successfully. From here, it's a good idea to test your login on a device or browser where you're not already signed in, just to make sure your new password works properly. And if you're changing your password because you think your account may have been accessed by someone else, consider also updating your email password and enabling two-factor authentication for extra protection. That's always a smart move for keeping your gaming account secure. So to quickly recap, you go to the Epic Games website, sign in, open account, click password and security, scroll to change your password, enter your new password, and save. It only takes a few moments, but it can make a big difference in protecting your account. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.